Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel and hope you are all doing well. Thank you so much for watching all my videos and for your lovely comments which are encouraging and it's always nice to hear from you all lovely comments. Thank you. So today I am come up with Sangacho Ross, that is Sango or Shengo, Muskacho Sangacho Ross. So for that I have taken 4 Muskacho Shengo, that is drumstick, and I have removed this whichever is there like this, all the sides, and I have washed it and I have kept it. So we need 4 drumstick, that is Shengo. Then I have taken this masoor dal which is boiled over here. So I have taken like half cup of masoor dal. After boiling I got this 1 cup. 1 green chili. So masoor dal is that orange dal. Okay. Then I need to grind 1 that is half coconut, grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. These are Goan chilies, around 4. Okay, so if you don't have Goan chilies, you can use any other chilies. Then this is Kashmiri red chili, 1 ball of tamarind, 1 teaspoon, big teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seed, 1 pod of small garlic. The small garlic pod what you get, that one I'm using. Then I'm taking 2 peppercorn, just 2 peppercorns. This is for grinding with water, and this is half cup of masoor dal, 1 green chili. I have boiled it and I have boiled or cooked it and I have kept it. I need 1 cup of warm water, a glass of warm water or cup, salt to taste. Then I will be using some dry mango to this. Solna we call, amyachi solna. So that, and 1 onion chopped like this. So let's start the procedure. This will go for grinding in the mixer. Now I will show you. So add this coconut, then my garlic, then this is tamarind, chilies, so we'll add water and we'll grind this. Now the next procedure, the hot water which we took, I will put this in this vessel, and then I will add salt little bit, and let it get boiled. It's hot, so it will get boiled fast. So you can take like this glass or a cup. So now we will add this Shengo to this, Muskacho Shengo drumstick. And let it get cooked for 5 minutes. And I will add little bit of turmeric powder to this, little bit, a pinch. Here, a pinch of this to this. And we'll cover this and cook this for 5 to 8 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. Till then we'll grind our masala also. So now we'll add our onion. So I've added the onion to this. Here. So, and we'll cook for another 3 minutes along with the onions, okay? Cover this and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. So it's total of this cooking is 10 minutes. Here is our masala ready. Wonton. Now I have added the dal in this. The color is also changed, so it is nicely getting cooked. Very simple procedure. I will repeat it. First, you boil this shengo in water with salt and little bit of turmeric, which I showed. Then after 5 minutes, you have to add hot water, boiled water, hot water to this. Cover it and cook it for around 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you add onion to this, the chopped onion to this. Cover it and again cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, you add this cooked dal. And now the time will be for a masala to go in. So in this now we'll add a masala. Mix this nicely. We'll add water to this. So this is the water which was there for mixer, so I will add that. I'll be needing little bit more, so I will be adding according how thick you want. Roast means like a curry of coconut actually. Done. This is done. Now let it get nice. One boil. We'll add salt to taste. Mix this very nicely. I have not add any oil to this. Okay. That is another one where you can give tadka, that I will show you. Now we'll add our mango solla, amyachi solla, dried mango, this, which is like you get it in market or supermarket, or in Goa the ladies are sitting. So here I add, even in supermarket you get. I'm adding this to this. And that chili, you can either slit it or you can keep it whole. I'm keeping it whole. And salt I will check. And Sangacho Ross or Muskacho Sangacho Ross is ready to go for on rice or bread. So we'll add our salt to taste. cook for 5 minutes more. These are all nicely cooked, so another 5 minutes more. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes, and it's done. Here it is, my Sangacho Ross is ready. Muskache Sangacho Ross is ready. Sangacho Shengo Muskache Ross is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching this, and thank you. Hope you will enjoy. And next video I will show you same procedure, but how you can do tadka for this. Okay, if anybody wants tadka, that is also possible. Thank you.